There's no greater legacy than to give back to the environment for your children and your grandchildren.
Everything that we do here at LCV is helping make Maryland a more environmentally sound state.
Clean water, clean air is crucial to the state of Maryland to grow their economy.
I can't understate the importance of how you can make real progress when you have good people in office.
I am extremely grateful for the opportunities to work through the Maryland LCV. It gave me an opportunity to grow as a person and become involved at a level that I had never imagined for myself.
We are a force to reckon with. We work together.
It's really been great to see the growth that has happened with Maryland LCV. All of the things that we have achieved over the years are tenuous, and they can turn on a dime.
I'm Paris Glendenning. Welcome to a wonderful celebration. Happy anniversary to the Maryland League of Conservation Voters. You have made a difference for this state. And in 2001, I received the first John Kabler Award.
Back in the day, the legislators, they would trade away their environmental vote for something else to get someone else's vote, and it was common practice. And I called John Kabler because he was like the guru leader of all the environmentalists. And we started meeting in my house, and that was the beginning.
We cannot be successful unless we have state policymakers who share our concerns, our vision.
What Maryland LCV represents is power. Power for environmentalists, power for the environmental community, power for the citizens of Maryland.
I'm so very proud of the work that we were able to do together in Annapolis to protect the land, the air, the water, the living systems of this great state. LCV has been at the forefront of this dawning of a third human ethic, the truth that we're all in this together.
We have supporters who are Republicans and Democrats. It's one of the things that Maryland LCV really excels at, is ensuring that the different viewpoints come together and have that conversation.
I absolutely love this state. It is the most diverse state. I've been working really hard to change who is at the table and make sure there are more people that are engaged in the environmental movement.
We need people from all communities.
Chispa Maryland is the Latino Reach program of the Maryland League of Conservation Voters. The mission of the program is really to engage Latino communities.
And just recently, we saw the youth around the world stepping up. I think there's an energy. I think they can see what is happening, and they're outraged.
It's a whole big team that is working seamlessly for a common objective.
You can have Maryland being at the forefront of renewable energy, wind, solar.
The urgency of taking on climate change.
Leading the way on solving the climate crisis.
We're going to be a leader in this whole area. We're going to be an innovator like no other.
If we don't show leadership, if we don't show political will, if we don't include everybody in this fight, we're not going to win.
Well, my hope and my vision for the LCV in the future is that it becomes more known to the general public.
Make sure that everyone who needs to be involved in processes and decisions are being contacted and engaged and having partnerships made with them.
Our state may be small, but we've got some big ideas, and it's working.
And we can only succeed with you. So be part of the team, make a contribution, and make a difference.
The Maryland League of Conservation Voters, the political voice for the environment. Support us now. Join today.
Because we only have like one Earth, we have the opportunity and chance to go outside and make the world a better place.